the hairstylist anxiety. Bro! Hey. Wahala can't catch me. It's July 4th. And I'm having a day. I'm supposed to get my hair done today. I personally have never really had my hair done by a stranger, like a hairstylist. I have got my ends split, got my hair straightened by like professionals. Probably got my hair braided once when I was a kid by a professional. However, other than that, which happens once in a blue moon, getting my hair straightened and my ends clipped, most of the time I do that by myself, but that happens once in a blue moon. I've never got my hair done by a stranger. I probably had my hair touched by 5 people, and I know all 5 of those people, whether they're a family friend, never paid to get my hair like braided. But I decided to do that for this upcoming trip, and boy, the hairstylist anxiety is just slowly increasing. Oh my gosh. So I booked her about 2 weeks ago. Mind you, today's July 4th. I booked her for July 8th at 4 p.m. Yep. Something in my spirit yesterday tell me, say, I'm gonna test the lady and say, hi, I'm just here to confirm my hair appointment for the 8th at 4 p.m. Because, you know, this is my first time. I want everything to go smooth. Good. I booked the appointment 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago. I was proactive. Everything was cool. She said I didn't need to put a deposit in, blah, blah, blah. She had booked it. It was scheduled. And I would just come in, and she told me the price and everything. And I was going to bring my money. She provides the hair. So bring my money and sit down and get my hair done. Yesterday, God tell me, said, test the woman. I text the woman and I said, hi, I'm just here to come on my appointment, blah, blah, blah. So the lady is like, can we do it Sunday, July 9th, early in the morning? I said, I leave for my trip at 4 a.m. I give her a suggestion because when I sent that message, it took a while for her to respond back, and I don't know what's going on here. So I said, would you like to do it today or tomorrow, because I'm off today and tomorrow. Well, yesterday and today. She's like, yeah, probably, I'll see. Let me get back to you. She get back to me. She say today at 11:30 we'll do the hair. I'm like, okay, sweet, I'll be there. Hey. Wahala can't catch me. So we were texting around like 3 o'clock. It's me at 9 p.m. at night. Can we do it on Wednesday? I said, I said, sure, let's do it Wednesday 5:30 because I get off at 5. It takes me 30 minutes to get back to this area. The lady said, how about early morning Wednesday? I said, ma'am, I work Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 8 to 5. I was just really holding onto my hat, trying to be very professional because she was being very unprofessional and constantly changing the date that she agreed on. She just stressing me out, and it was this is gonna be my first time getting a complete stranger to touch my hair. I don't like that already. I don't like that idea already, and she just stressing me. She's stressing me. She's stressing me. She's like Wednesday 5:30. I said, hey, I have work Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Only time I'm gonna be able to do it is after work. After I said that, she said, so who's going first? And now I'm confused. I'm so confused. I'm like, ma, I'm only one human being. It's just me. Remember when I was looking for a stylist for mom, I had texted her and said, like, could you do this and how much would you charge? And then I was like, hey, I'll get back to you after I talked to my mom about it. But I never reached back out to her to tell her, hey, I confirm or I deny the appointment. So I guess she just assumed that my mom was coming with me and we were all gonna do our hair one time in one session. No. It was on me. I didn't get back to her, but she says, I said, ma'am, my mom is no longer coming. It will just be me. She was like, okay, great. Then you can come today at 11:30. I wake up in the morning. I woke up at 6 a.m. I probably went back to sleep for like an hour. I've been passing around. I'm around 10:30. I started to get ready so I can go to my appointment. The lady texts me, oh, my previous client's been here a little later. Can you come at 1:30? I said, okay. Well, I tell you, I'm just gonna trust God. Just don't understand. I really don't understand. Disgrace. Scratches. It's over there. I'm just praying that everything work out and the hair come out nice because yeah, bye. I can't do nothing but laugh about this situation because originally I was gonna do my own hair, but after I finished getting cussing, I was like, you know what? Let me just pay the money and, you know, pay someone to do my hair. Her work looked nice. I feel like she can get it done. Why not treat myself and not be suffering for 6 hours trying to braid my own hair? And this is what I get. This is what I get. I'm not even bleeding woman. I bleed myself. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put my hair in a tight little bun so she can think my hair is little. Because I feel like my hair is little. But bro, when I was walking around looking for a hairstylist, I went to this one studio and the lady saw my hair and she was like, $300. She was like $300. I was like, ma'am, it's not for me. Because the way she was staring at my hair, I was like, it's not for me, it's for my mom. And her hair is short. And then she brought the price down. I was like, bro, y'all really be out here charging people because their hair is thick or because their hair is long? That does not make sense. Why are y'all discriminating? I feel like that should be against, you know, business rules, business laws or something. Discriminating against me because my hair is thick. I don't like that. I don't like that. Next time y'all see me, I'll either be in my car or at the appointment. I really don't know if I'm gonna record at this appointment because the way things is going, I just wanna close my mouth, shut my teeth, get my hair braided, hand my money, and go. The way you were treating me, ma'am, I didn't like it. This is not how I do things.
Something really happened for the better. I had to take a false look inside. Found my peace and grounding level. You've been
Hello. How's the dirt? If I can't stand this heat, what make you think I can stand the heat in hell? This car is hot. This ear need to go low. Yeah, man.
So because you let me down.
This is so good. So, my hair is done. All my anxiety and everything was for nothing. Yeah. Because God always come through. I literally, when I was in the shower yesterday, I was like praying, like, God, just let everything go as planned. And the hair eats. It eats. Yeah. 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 So that's my middle part. But then I decided to just throw all the hair on the side when I was doing this. So that's why it looks kind of crazy. But I love it. She was super sweet. She gave me some dry rice and fish. I love my LIB people. The way I went to my appointment, I kept thinking like I didn't eat, I'm hungry. It was also her birthday today, so she did my hair on her birthday. I need to give people more grace. I really need to give people more grace. I'd definitely be ready to panic after every little minor inconvenience, but for my first time getting my braids done by a stranger, I love it. And I definitely need to give people more grace. Because God be giving me grace. I need to give other people grace. Okay? I was so ready to panic. And this is cute. This is real cute. I'm on my way to get my toes done. I literally just got off work. And I just packed some slides in my car so that I can wear it to my appointment. Traffic is trafficking. And I'm not liking this rainy weather. But next time y'all see me, I'm gonna have some pretty toes. Because right now my toes look begirsted. It's not giving. I'm not even gonna show you these things. Because they not cute at all. I got my toes done and I did not show you guys the process. I was really annoyed. I ended up crying in my car. I went to go get my toes done. I wanted French tip. Something new I hadn't tried before, and I've been to the salon like 2 times and they did a good job. So I went there and the normal lady that does my toes was busy, so they sent another guy, and he was doing everything good. Everything was going smoothly up until the point where I asked for a base, because I just didn't want like my toe color and then the white. I wanted like a base, so I was like, can I get like a nude base? And I showed them a picture of the base I wanted, the name. I gave them the name of the base. I don't know if they had it or they didn't have it or they didn't know what I was talking about. He ended up calling the lady over, and she brought a bunch of like nude shades. So I picked the shade that was closest to the shade I was going for. He started doing that. He started stacking it on. He was like 3-4 coats in, and I'm like, what's going on? And she brings another color and she says it's not dark enough, like it's patchy. So she goes over it again, so that's 4. Then they bring another nude color, and that's a 5 coat. Last nude color they brought I didn't really like, so I'm like, no, I don't like it. And she was like, I don't think you should do the tip anymore. I guess because the guy didn't know how to do the tip, and I wish they would have just said, oh, he doesn't know how to do French tip, and I just would have got what I normally get, which is just my regular color, gel color. Like, you know what, I'll just do white. So at this time I already have 5 coats or 4-ish coats on my toes that have been under the gel lining, so I'm thinking they're just gonna start from scratch and take everything off, and he started to polish over the already polished. So I'm getting really annoyed, and I'm like, could you just like start over? And he was like, no, this is better or whatever. It wasn't better. He just didn't want to like start over. I'm like, whatever, it doesn't look bad, because the color I was using was a nude, so it was already, you know, it wasn't peeking through or anything. So he starts going over them, and then he starts putting polish everywhere. Like, there's polish all over my toe, like a child did it. So I'm like, could you clean up the edges and stuff like that? And he's trying to clean it, but he's not really cleaning it. It looked like he was in training. So the lady that was normally does my toes came over and looked at them, and she knew immediately that something was wrong. Like, it didn't look nice. So she basically took over and she started fixing it and stuff. And she was like trying to make me laugh and saying nice things. She was really, really sweet. But I was like super annoyed that I had to go through that whole process. I had literally just got off work. I was hungry. And they were just giving me a hard time, and I felt like if he didn't know how to do it when I said French tip, he should have said, hey, I don't know how to do that, do you want to do something else? I just felt really, really annoyed that they took me through that whole process. Something else they're probably supposed to be like 45 minutes to an hour, took like 2.5 hours. Like, I was just so annoyed. I was out of it. I came home. Even leaving the salon, I thought my toes looked bad, even though she fixed it and it looked nice. It looked better than what he was doing. But I just felt like they looked bad. But once I got home, I was like, okay, they look good. I'm just annoyed. That's why I'm acting like this. But I feel like it's just a lot of things going on. First, we had the hair issue that I was annoyed about. That one, I just felt like, you know, I needed to give that lady more grades. But now we got the toes issue. It's like, I just pray everything else goes right, because I'm tired. I'm tired of this. I'm tired of this. I'm ready to just forget about everything. Oh! Off my hair, bro. So I'm trying to clean out my room a little bit. This stuff just came in the mail. This is, I want the darkest tan possible, B tan, and this is like a tanning pad. Okay, so here is my tan, bro. It looks very uneven. I kind of want to just even it out, but also even out my skin in general, because I just have uneven skin. I don't know if you're supposed to shake it, but I'm gonna shake it. I just want to even out my tan. I told my sister I was tanning, and she was like, I just want you to love your black skin. She also told me I had dark skin, so I don't know what she's talking about. Okay, why not? I want to be like shiny, you know? So I am supposed to be heading to my nail appointment. I came to the bank to get some cash, and she texted me and said that her previous appointment was running 15 minutes late. It's my girl, so I got faith in her. Yeah. Bro! I didn't close all the way, so I poured water in here because I feel like the Chick-fil-A and Wendy's drinks is always so like sweet. So I put some water in it, and I forgot to close it, and now it's all over the place, bro. Sometimes when these fries be busting, I know I don't want my look at me or watch it to you or don't have me or I'm about to head to my appointment. I'm gonna just sit outside her house. Is that creepy if I sit outside her house? I don't care, I'm gonna do it anyway. Thank you, brother. Get back to the business. I feel the spirit moving through the city. I got the light shining, come get it. Walking with Christ, moving with great. My friend, what you doing, brother? You want us to all die yet? What's going on? Sometimes when people drive on 10 say they be thinking, and let me tell my friend left today. Because what be going on? Like, why y'all be driving like this? You're not even gonna head to me, you're gonna help you head to yourself. Like, I got these Shein rings. I don't know, I like wearing rings to my nail appointment because I just feel like it gives a little razzle dazzle, you know? Especially if they're doing like content and stuff, it's a little razzle dazzle, like she's different. Yeah, we like that. We making stuff up. Welcome to Christ Moon, where's Goody? I tell you, and I know that one. Oh my gosh, and I didn't even finish telling y'all about my tanning situation. So as you can see, oh maybe you can see a little bit. But yeah. It didn't even out my tan, and I ended up just returning it. It made me get like this golden shiny look, and even on my legs, I really like the way my legs look. This car is driving so slow. We are below the speed limit, yeah. Below the speed limit, yeah. We're below the speed limit, yeah. You're below the speed limit, yeah. Is he on the phone? He talking to your woman? What's going on? Oh, he's oh, Papa, I see. That's why we was driving below the speed limit, yeah.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you. I'm on my way to meet you. We gotta talk, you know. All these trials and tribulations got me tired, I need rest. And I heard that I can come.